Our 2016 Tesla Model X does not have the hardware for either Dashcam or Sentry mode. These features are brand new to me since we bought a Model Y about 2 months ago. This Dashcam 101 video covers everything that I have learned so far about these features. Glad you're here. Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla Model X and Karma the Tesla Model Y. I'm filming in Karma today because we're talking all about Dashcam. So just what is Dashcam? I mean, the name is pretty self-explanatory, but the Tesla website says Dashcam records video footage of your surroundings while driving, and it uses 4 of the vehicle's cameras to do this: the front, the back, the right, and the left. When you tap on the Dashcam icon, it shows you all the camera angles. There's the front, which is, you know, the big one, left, right, and rear. And then you can tap on the different views to click on the one that you want to see. That's the College of the Florida Keys right there. Use Dashcam to record driving incidents or other notable events. Video recordings are saved locally to a formatted USB flash drive's onboard memory. Recordings are not sent to Tesla. So the USB drive actually comes with the vehicle. I didn't know this, and I almost bought one for I don't remember how much on the Tesla website. But right now I'm going to show you how to open the glove box and where to find the USB drive. This has nothing to do with Dashcam, but the Starbucks baristas in Key West today put a heart by my name. I just thought that was so cute. I felt like sharing that. To open the glove box, you just tap on the little vehicle down in the bottom left corner, and then you tap on glove box, and voila, the glove box opens. And then right here, this is where the Tesla USB is, and it has a little Tesla logo on it. Isn't that cute? It's very easy to just slide it on in there. Okay. The USB drive must be formatted. Now, if you use the one that comes with the vehicle from Tesla, it's pre-formatted. So if you need to format a USB drive not provided by Tesla, it's very easy to do in the MCU of the vehicle. First, you go to Controls, and then Safety, and then Format USB drive. You also need to go to Controls on the MCU, which is the touchscreen in your vehicle, to enable Dashcam, and then it's going to give you 2 potential settings. You have auto and you have manual. What's the difference? So with the auto setting, Dashcam automatically saves a recording to the USB drive when the Tesla detects a safety critical event, such as a collision or airbag deployment. When auto is selected, detention can vary and is subject to your vehicle's power, sleep, and autopilot state. I don't really understand that last part. Do you? If you do, please post a comment and explain it to me. With the manual setting, you must manually touch the Dashcam icon to save a recording of the most recent 10 minutes of footage. I selected manual because I want to film another loop of the island of Key West in full self-driving in Karma, filming Dashcam footage along the way and incorporating that into the TesLUCKY video. So click the bell for notifications if you're interested in seeing that. There's another setting called on honk, and I actually don't have that setting turned on because I almost never honk at anyone. Now today I had good reason to honk at somebody, and Carly was like begging me to honk at this car that passed me in the drive-through lane at Wendy's because there was a steep incline, and I was just sort of waiting until there was more room to move the vehicle up the incline, and they just like cut right in front of me. I couldn't believe it. And Carly was like, honk your horn, honk your horn. And I'm like, no, I'm afraid the person's going to get out of the car and shoot me in broad daylight in Key West. Probably not that realistic, but I still didn't honk my horn. So I've been practicing with Dashcam to see with the manual setting how good the footage is when I pass by like certain landmarks, and just been testing out the waters. And in the last segment of this video, I'm going to show you some footage of the beautiful Florida Keys on the overseas highway. I'm going to like kind of talk you through some of the different camera angles and just show you some of my practice footage. So please watch this video to the end if you'd like to see that real dash cam footage for Karma. And it was super easy to get the clips from the USB onto my computer. And interestingly enough, all the clips are either 1 minute or less. Somehow it takes that 10 minutes of footage and it splices it up into these really manageable little chunks of video. There are 5 different status indicators where the like dash cam icon will change just a little bit to show you what it's doing. So these are what the icons look like to reflect recording, available, paused, busy, and saved. They're all pretty self-explanatory and easy to figure out. Now we're gonna look at a few minutes of dash cam footage from Karma, the Tesla Model Y. This is my practice footage on the overseas highway in the beautiful Florida Keys. And I'm gonna point out, I'm gonna narrate the video and just point out some of the landmarks and just show you all the different camera angles. It was a really, really pretty day. Check this out. Good morning from Big Pine Key. This is the sunrise. We are leaving early to drive Karma to the mainland with appointments in Miami on this particular day. And just wanted you to see a little bit of beautiful Big Pine Key with that sunrise. It was such a delight this particular day driving to Miami in full self-driving. This is on our drive home. We're in Marathon, about to pass by the Tesla superchargers. They were the first superchargers in the Florida Keys, and I was obsessed with them before we got our Tesla. I posed for a picture that was my Facebook profile picture for a while. I've changed the camera angle here to the right side of the vehicle and put it in slow-mo. You can kind of see the chargers a little bit there behind the palm trees. Next, we're driving by the Turtle Hospital on the right. It's one of my favorite tourist attractions in Marathon. And now here's the right side camera angle in slow motion so you can just get a better look at the Turtle Hospital. Definitely go there if you're ever in Marathon. Now here's the left side camera angle of that same stretch in Marathon where the Turtle Hospital is. Back camera view, a little bit funky. There is the Turtle Hospital right there. And now we're gonna go over the 7 Mile Bridge. We're gonna spend a little bit more time on the 7 Mile Bridge just because it's so iconic and so beautiful. Here's a side-by-side of the front and the rear camera angles side by side. I have been experimenting with the manual dash cam because I want to be able to include dash cam footage in road trip videos and in full self-driving videos. So really, I think that the front camera angle is the most useful for my purposes. Now we're passing by Pigeon Key on the right side, but the cement part of the bridge is just too high for the right camera to really be useful at all. You could sort of just see a little bit of Pigeon Key popping up over the top of that. Nah, I just have it here again just to show you the different angles. Now we're getting to the high point of the 7 Mile Bridge. The view here is just spectacular. That's the old 7 Mile Bridge on the right side there. And the water is just so pretty. Often see tourists like driving over the 7 Mile Bridge with like, you know, GoPros like on selfie sticks, like out the roof and out the windows. And if you're driving in a Tesla and you're going all the way down to Big Pine Key or Key West, take some dash cam footage of your drive. I think this is pretty fun. Here's another split screen view showing the left side of the camera. Again, you know, you really can't even see the water over the cement railing there, but you can see the cars passing by. And if you had trouble on the left side of the vehicle, you would be happy to have this camera angle. But in terms of like vacation videos, not so much. So back to the main front view, and I want to point out on the right side there, we're coming up on the very famous Fred the Tree. If you don't know about Fred the Tree in the Florida Keys, you should do a Google search on it. And on the left side there is a teeny little island called Money Key. That is a very fun little spot to take the boat to. We like Money Key. This would be a good time to give a shout out to our first ever channel member, Rob Guy. Thank you so much, Rob, for signing up for our new membership program. Your merch will be in the mail, and we hope that you are already enjoying the members only community chat in the community tab on the channel. We're going to keep that area exclusive for our channel members as a little perk. Now we're coming up to the end of the 7 Mile Bridge. I hope that you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the beautiful Florida Keys here with the dash cam. So as for Sentry mode, I haven't really learned that much about the feature, except that it sucks battery life like it's nobody's business. We will shoot a future video on Sentry mode when I figure it out. What do you think that I need to know about Sentry mode? Please let me know in the comments below. Since you're still here, please go ahead and click the like button. And thank you so much for watching TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel that is this close to being monetized. Finally!